وَقَالَ إِنَّمَا اتَّخَذْتُمْ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ أَوْثَانًا. And he said, you've taken idols other than Allah. مَوَدَّةَ بَيْنِكُمْ فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Out of mutual affection for each other in the life of this world. Do they believe in these idols because they genuinely feel there's truth in them? Or in fact, a lot of the beliefs that people have, do they have them because they genuinely believe them? They've reasoned their way to them? They have identified truth in them? No, it's peer pressure. It's relationships. It's the kind of validation and reassurance that you get from other people that, of course, human beings need, but the need becomes so desperate that it displaces truth altogether. It's my tribe, right or wrong. It's my family, right or wrong. My people, right or wrong. That's not how it works. This my people, this affiliation, this validation that you get from them, the security that this group that you belong to, the cult that you belong to, the relationships that you have, whether it's family or it's the broader religious community or a specific ideological community or a neighborhood, that because of this common ideology, this dogma, regardless of how much it's based in truth or not, you have people to talk to. You have people who look out for you. You have people who help you. You have people who support you. And you want that support. You want that help. You don't want to be isolated. You don't want to be cut off. Ibrahim alayhi salam is identifying them, this mawaddatan baynikum. You know I'm telling you the truth. But you're afraid that if you say yes to me, you'll be cut off from everybody else. And that fear holds you back from the truth. This works at a completely different level now on a social media dynamic. Are you going to share something that you genuinely believe to be true? No, you're going to share what's trending. Whatever gets more likes and follows. You're going to hold back from whatever gets you canceled. Whatever spreads like wildfire. Your followers don't follow you, you follow your followers. You're more afraid of disappointing them. This mawaddatan baynikum takes on a very different manifestation, but principle remains the same. Truth is compromised for these relationships, virtual relationships or real world relationships. They're treated the same.